Hi, we're Team 22, and this is the Morse code minigame.
So when powering on, you have to hit this button to restart the LCD display. We have game mode, which outputs a random character strings, which you have to copy in order to win the game. Reset resets the display. This is the backspace, so if I input a character and then hit backspace, it goes back to one space. Or you can do it multiple times. This middle thing is powers, or I guess controls the difficulty level. This is your timer telling you how fast the timer is going, and this is just your power button. So we enter game mode. So when you go into game mode, you're given a string of characters that you have to copy exactly. I ran out of time. So in this case, I lost. Restart and start with a different string of arrays. I'll try it again. And in this case, we won. And this resets the game. If you want to start a new game, you hit the mode button again. Restart. You can input something, whatever string you'd like to do in the free mode.